a little bit of a late night, but I couldn't help myself. Got you all taken care of with your new caps. Came out beautiful. Remember that dropper for the foot switch supply? Look at that nice little air gap underneath them. And same here with your low voltage supply. I'll just take you on this side. Grab a chopstick so I don't electrocute myself. I was just playing. But if you look at this guy here, you'll see this was right on the board. Now you can see an appreciable gap there. It's the same thing for his little stablemate there, and these two dropping resistors. And it was actually starting to char a bit once I got the components off, so we caught it just in time. You have your phase inverter, plate load resistors there, your screen grid resistors, all taken care of. So she's good to go. Very happy. Oh yeah, new power tubes. Your old ones were incredibly cold, under the 50% mark, which is minimum. These are biased to the 60% mark, which is, we like to say, midway between 50 and 70%. And I can tell you that there's no difference in tone between the 60 and 70%, but you will get extended tube life, so you're in business. Bye-bye.